out, dude! I'm turning it up to 11! Hey! You broke my guitar! Power chord!
Brawn and beauty. Too pretty for pain. Prime time, baby. Ow! Not the face! Sorry, noob. Pew, pew, pew! Bullet storm! This is too easy. Time for trouble. Watch out. Here I come. Check out my guns.
I bring you the gift of darkness, Mortis, bringer of doom. I am a creature of the night. Have much fear. Mortis is here. You have been bested. Your soul is mine. Time to rest. I believe you got pwned. I'm mortified. You fiend. How dare you? 'Tis I, Mortis the Magnificent, the true creature of the night. I'm mortified. Or new hat. Creatures of the night, bringer of bats.
Look at me! Not from that angle. Hashtag winning. Are you serious? Oh my god! Take a chill pill. Time to update my blog. And I imp.
Oh, I'm coming around the bushes to protect my little girl. Watch it, boom! I got you! I got you! Run away! Run away! Come on, play! Oh! Oh! Come on, Shelly! Oh! Oh! Hey, where am I? Come on, Bull. Bull's got Shelly in the... Boom! Knocked it! Believable! This is an unbelievable game. You better believe it, cause no one beats the Bull. Take these guns and stay down. That's right. I beats the Bull, cause it's unbelievable. Oh, don't mess with the Bull. Yo, I'm in charge. And stay there. Yeah, that'll teach you.
Birds are singing. Down to mine. Kapowie. Dynamite. Dynamite. Not bad for an old timer. Don't touch my canary. I've got a short fuse. I'm getting grumpy. Who wants some TNT? Here, birdie, 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 birdie.
I am strong like the wind. I am one with the earth.
Don't mess with Jess. We can do this. Sorry. Great spot. Where will I put my friend? Build and brawl. Jess will fix it. Time to get constructive. Ha ha ha! You can do this. Ha ha ha!
Let's go get him. Así me gusta. Boom! Bling bling. Winning.
What is that?
Kablam! Pow! Zap! Sizzle! Go, 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 go!
Why is everyone so slow? Did someone hit me? Let's go, come on, zip, zip!
So tired. Seriously. On, you know. Yes.
That's good.
So good. I love staying awake. Guess I have to do stuff. So tired. For the win. Calm down, everyone. Yay! Woohoo! Nap time. Get some rest. Shh. Sweet dreams. Go to sleep. Huh? Hey! Relax. Whoa, chill. Whatever. Good night. To sleep, perchance to dream. Nighty night. Sand shroud. Sandstorm. Did I do something? Amazing. So tired of winning. So cool. Yeah. So happy.
I see you! Look, my favorite brawler! Brawl Stars forever! I'm gonna chase you, and I'm gonna find you. You can't get away from me, ever. This is so cool! So many cool brawlers. Don't touch my scrapbook.
Let's go explore. Let's see what's buzzing. What a fascinating biosphere. You pose a threat to the hive. Beautiful. Sweet nectar. Buzz off. Mind your own beeswax. Can you be more annoying? Think of the ecosystem. Don't call me honey. For the colony. I feel like the queen bee. I'm buzzing. Believe in yourself. I'm the bee's knees.
It is Thomas Hagena, the voice of Leon in Brawl Stars. Anyways, thanks for inviting me to do this. I really appreciate it. It's a really cool videos you got going there. All right, so I'll just go through some lines.
Let's go! We can do this! Yes! Leon in the lead! Woohoo! Invisibility! Hey, Nita, check me out! Untouchable! Yeah! Ha 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 ha! Yes! 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 Not fair! Watch this! Sneaky time! Time to brawl! See ya!
Anyway, thanks so much, Leo. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the lines from Brawl Stars. Best of luck with the YouTube channel, and looking forward to seeing the new content roll out. So have a great weekend. See you around.